Finally, we look at security services. Security is one of the best reasons to install advanced network services on a switch. Security services can be broken down into three areas: authentication, firewalls, and virtual private networks. While we've covered these subjects in previous lessons, let's take a few minutes to review. Authentication is used to verify who is connecting to the network. Most of you, I'm sure, have used some type of authentication. Anytime you are asked for a password, this is authentication. Without proper authentication, users are restricted from the network, or even just specific parts of the network. I think a switch is a perfect place for authentication. The second type of security service is a firewall. A firewall is a filter that keeps traffic from going from one network to another. Most people think of firewalls as the way to protect a private network from the Internet. However, even within private networks, firewalls are used to limit communication between subnets. Basic operation of a firewall is to let verified traffic in and keep other traffic out. Think of a firewall as the traffic cop controlling traffic in and out of your network. I would think switches are a good place for this security feature too. The third type of security service is virtual private networks, or VPNs. A VPN is a secure path or tunnel created across the network. At either end of this tunnel, the data is encrypted and decrypted. This way, only approved individuals can view the data. These three security features can all be installed on a switch, and we will examine each in much more depth in the following lessons.